Hey, Scott with growthleague.com here. Hope you're doing well. So I get a little excited this time of year because, well, obviously holidays are coming up and all the fun family things that we have in store, but also because it's time to plan for the next year. And it gets me excited. I just think about all the things that I'm able to and my clients are able to make happen in their business with some intentionality around planning for it, setting goals, getting really specific about what it is that you want to make happen in your business and your personal life next year. So I created I love creating 30-day challenges or 15-day challenges. I created a 30-day planning challenge for the month of December. Dedicate 10 minutes a day, more if you can, but everybody's got 10 minutes a day, right? I don't know about you, but I waste way more than 10 minutes a day on this scrolling through social media. So make the commitment, take 10 minutes a day, and use this as a guide. Print this out. There's some text here to help guide you through, and at the bottom as well. And if you need a template to help you with where to actually put your goals that you set for yourself, and then how to chunk them down into monthly and weekly tasks to help you get to that big annual set of goals that you've set out to accomplish in 2025, let me know, and I'll share that with you as well. All right, any questions? I'm here to help. Let me know.